EBO Catpal.
What's that, Daddy?
So on the box it says, your cat's new best friend. Are you not gonna be Dash's best friend anymore?
No, I'm not your friend. I'm from family.
Oh, okay. Fitness trainer and personal photographer. That is a lot
But
of...
Dash is gonna break it.
You think Dash is gonna break it?
Dash is fierce. A guy and a what? This what is a charger.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, a moose head. A moose body and pieces in the moose body. This is a Santa Claus man.
There's this kind of, remember that phone backing that was really popular for a little bit, where people were using this phone case with these kind of micro suction sort of things so you could stick your phone to a window? So it has that on the bottom of the charger, which is actually pretty nice. So there's a camera on the front, what looks like some kind of maybe ambient light sensor or something like that, and then what looks like a speaker on the back, and then it actually moves around with these two treads, so it looks like it can do everything from forward to backwards to spinning on the spot. Initialize EBO Catpal. Okay, we gotta put the charging stand in an open space and plug it into a power source. Okay, turns red, the eyes light up. You're supposed to scan the QR code so that EBO can scan it and connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, I think that's good. Let's play with your cat. Okay. Please update the firmware of your EBO robot. Oh, see, this is what I'm talking about. Modern toys, right? That's actually a pretty decent looking camera. Latency is not terrible. Huh, that's not bad. Okay, you can change the speed of the EBO. You can record your EBO camera. You can take pictures. Hello? Hello? Oi! You can talk to the cat through the EBO app. This is gonna take a little bit.
Is Dash gonna take a swing at EBO?
Yeah, it's a pretty basic robot with a camera on it, I guess. She is not sure what to think of this. Well, do you want to do the feather or do you want to do the moose hat?
Moose hat, please.
I'm trying to steer right and it's just not having it. Oh my goodness. I think we should really try the feather. Oh, what? There's a laser pointer. Oh, no way.
What? What?
This thing is almost impossible to control. It's extremely frustrating. Stuck again. And it's stuck again. Well, it didn't take long for it to incapacitate itself. One thing they did well is making it so that the motors aren't super loud. Like, it's pretty quiet. It doesn't seem to be scary to her. She just mostly doesn't really care about it right now. It's not very often that devices these days come completely dead. So it has alarms, so you can set it to kind of automatically go off the cradle and play with your cat up to 20 times a day. As for whether your cat's into it or not, well, that sort of depends on whether you can find something to put on it that... Here we go. Let's give this another try with fresh batteries. Maybe it'll be a better experience. Yeah, it definitely goes a little better. The low battery was hurting its ability to truck around like this. Wow, the cat really does not care about this thing very much.
Can I take a picture of Dashy, please?
Yeah, you can take a picture. So I think you click the camera button right there to take a picture. Your mileage may vary, but I think my kids like it more than my cat does. I see the potential here, especially if you could find a reliable way to attach a toy your cat actually likes to the top of it. But with a couple sessions and really not much in the way of success, I can't say that I'm that impressed. New plan. We're grabbing permanent adhesive tape and we're taping a toy the cat actually likes to the top of EBO here. Yeah, I think our cat really doesn't care about it. You compare this toy not attached to EBO. and you get a completely different reaction. This is a very, very playful cat. Like, you would think watching her play with EBO that she just doesn't like to play, but she does. And she loves this toy. So yeah, you still have to actually play with your pets. You can't just replace yourself with a robot yet. Unless your cat is dumber, I guess. Don't forget to subscribe to Short Circuit. Probably won't do too many videos like this one because I mostly think these things are pretty stupid, but at least my kids like it.